something. Yeah. This color. What do you want me to paint for you?
Paint a tree.
Okay. I don't know how to paint a tree.
Paint a snowman.
Okay. I'll try to make that out of paint. Which color do you want? This color, that color, or that color?
Purple.
Okay. Is this purple?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. One snowball. Two snowballs. Three snowballs. That's his eye. He only has one eye. Arms. There's a snowman. What do you want me to build you next?
How about a cat?
Okay. What color do you want? That color? Hey, Aaron, where are you going with that? Hey. You don't like the paint? I need those. Which color do you want? This one, or that one?
White.
Okay. Ooh. There's a kitty. Now what you want me to build?
A dog.
Okay. Aaron, we are not done. I am doing it. That color, that color, that color. Which one?
Green.
Okay. This one? Oh. It's turning into milk. What you want me to build? Yeah.
Dog.
I can build a witch for you. What color do you want to be a witch?
White.
It's turning into another color. No, Aaron, we are not dipping into there. What you want me to build?
Chair.
Okay. There, chair. What do you want me to build next?
A heart.
Exactly, no. How to do my heart. You put the big heart. Okay. I don't know how to do it. Which color do you want? This color, or that color, or that one?
Purple.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you want me to build again?
A heart.